So tomorrow is a big day for AMC and AMC stock, and I do believe both AMC and GME stock are setting up to make a huge move. But before we do get into AMC and GME stock, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys haven't already. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. It's freaking crazy. I'm about to be turning 20 years old in 5 days, so it is my goal to get this channel to 6,000 subscribers in the next 5 days. So we could get there today if everyone just goes down and subscribes. Only about 20% of you guys are actually subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. But today was a red day overall for the stock market. AMC was down 3.5% at $5.12. It was trading in the morning at a high of $5.44, so it was pretty up there. Then it had a drop towards the end of the day. It sadly did follow GameStop. Now GameStop has been extremely bearish ever since we hit $29.99. From $29.99 we're down to $21 now. Today it was down 4% and it looks like it's just going down and down. Now none of this is financial advice and I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Both GameStop and AMC are extremely risky and volatile stocks, but with great risk does come great reward. Right now I do have basically 99% of everything in AMC stock, and I'm just holding all my shares because I really do believe a huge move can come up. Now it is extremely possible we do drop tomorrow when earnings does get released. AMC is known to drop on earnings even if they beat estimates, and if that does happen I may just buy more. Who freaking knows? All I know is that they need you to sell at these dirt cheap prices. They want you to sell at these dirt cheap prices. That's what the market wants. You know, it wants to play with your head. It wants to try to get you to sell. The stock market is a way of transporting money from the impatient people to the patient people. If you're patient, over 90% of the time, it will work out in your favor. Now, of course, there are some stocks that just go flat out to zero and you freaking lose all your money, but AMC isn't going bankrupt. They just moved the debt that was due in 2026 to 2029. So what do you think is going to happen to AMC stock? Do you guys think for the next 5 years that it's going to continue to go down when we already know what's coming to movie theaters, when we already know that the box office is breaking records every other freaking day and it's barely 2024? The movie slate for 2026 is going to be insane. AMC is going to be around to show all the movies, and by that time I really do believe AMC is going to be trading a lot higher than it is now. I really do think AMC is extremely undervalued, and anything under $10 in my opinion is an absolute steal. The past 2 weeks for GameStop though has just been actually terrible. I mean, GameStop has just been in free fall. Roaring Kitty's average price was at $23.41, and he has been gone for over a month now. No, I don't know what the frick Roaring Kitty is doing. He doesn't have to come back at all. He might just never come back to social media again. Who knows what they told him? I mean, the SEC probably came after him. I really do think it is BS, but then again, they can be building the momentum, guys. It's just been too quiet for GameStop, like I've been saying. All it takes is an announcement from Ryan Cohen. All it takes is a post from Roaring Kitty, and we will see the volume start to pick up again. The last time we saw the volume up was back in June. It's already August now, guys. The volume has just been dying down slowly. Every day just going lower and lower. So the volume is extremely low. The hype isn't there for GameStop or AMC right now. AMC a little bit, you know, with earnings coming up, it's going to be pretty huge. Pretty good to see, but like I said, I wouldn't doubt if we do drop below $5 on this next earnings call. So just prepare for the worst. If you are holding AMC, remember this isn't a freaking sprint. This isn't a get rich quick scheme, in my opinion. That's how I am seeing it. I think AMC is a long-term hold. I do not have my average price at $5.90, so it's sitting right there at 5, and I will continue to hold and buy at this price. So the FUD articles are starting to roll in for AMC. This article from Investor Place says AMC sell alert, prepare to offload AMC entertainment stock before August 2nd. Not even 3 consecutive Disney movie hits can help the theater chain. I just want to start off by saying whoever wrote this article is guaranteed going to be burning in hell at the end of the day. You know, once everything's said and done, they will be in the deepest depths of hell. This guy said, yeah, right before earnings date. Can't make this up. Royally corrupt. When will they go after Investor Place for defrauding the public and posting false articles? Where the frick is the SEC when it comes to articles like these? These sick bastards, man, it's just absolutely disgusting. It's so obvious that they need us to sell. It's so obvious that hedge funds are paying off Investor Place to make these articles, because why would they be making these articles? Not even 3 consecutive Disney movies hits can help the theater chain. It just doesn't make freaking sense. This guy said, according to the latest SEC filings, GameStop is now worth $15.96 per share in cash and assets combined, which is 74% of today's price. Not to mention profitable with virtually no debt. Accounting for those valuation metrics, this is the cheapest GameStop has ever been. So I really do think GameStop is at a steal right now, in my opinion, at $21. And it is extremely possible that we do break to $19. I don't want it to happen. It's going to be very bloody. My calls are going to get liquidated, but it was a risk. You know, I knew what I was getting myself into, and at the end of the day, I'm still holding my AMC shares. So that's what keeps me sane up here. Keeps me sane. This guy said GameStop continues to move lower as the lower time frame readings continue to read strong bearish. This does not affect the melt up data. Looking for support at the monthly trigger / weekly trigger, followed by a bullish crossover signal that the melt up is here. At this point, we need some news about GameStop. Nothing's gonna happen without a post from Roaring Kitty, without a post from Ryan Cohen, without a post from frickin' someone, guys. It has been just way too quiet. Like, what the frick is going on with GameStop right now? And sadly, AMC did follow today. AMC was green throughout the most of the day, and then it followed the rest of the market and was down 3%. So pretty bad day today. They said that AMC's share price is because of its debt. Well, I present you with 3 pictures. Maybe you will understand what's wrong here and explain it to me. I said it many times and will continue saying it. AMC is the biggest crime scene in economic history. So that guy with that same catchphrase, AMC versus Cinemark. AMC at $5, Cinemark at $23. If we take a look at AMC's current debt, it's currently standing at around $4.5 billion versus Cinemark's current debt, which is at $3.5 billion. So obviously it has nothing to do with the debt. It has to do with these criminal sick bastards. That's really all there is to it. And once more of them start getting locked up, once more of them start being sentenced to eternity in hell, then maybe we will see a fair market. Then maybe we will see AMC go to its correct price, which is not what it's trading at right now, in my opinion. Now, you guys do your own research before investing into any stocks, guys. But like I said, I have everything, basically everything in AMC stock right now. I am holding for the Moass, and I don't think we've gotten it yet. If anything, the market makers right now are continuing to offer us this discount. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. We are about to hit 6,000 subscribers. It's surreal, guys. I mean, we were just at 1,800 subscribers like 2 months ago. So we came a long way in the past couple of months, and it's not going to stop here, guys. I am going to continue to update you guys about AMC and GME stock. This is just the beginning of the beginning. You guys think it's over. I think it's just the freaking beginning. But tomorrow is going to be a huge day for AMC. Q2 earnings is getting released, and I really do believe Adam Aron is going to go into more detail with the AMC debt restructure. So I will keep you guys updated on that, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on.